What is going on, everybody? My name is Wadi the Crypto Hunter. How's everyone doing today? I hope you guys had a blessed day so far. So, without any further introduction, I want to talk about this coin PePe because it's making a lot of freaking noise. And right here, we see Binance own wallet as support for PePe token. And the article says, after surging more than 21,000x, Peppercoin is not everyone good. It's not in everyone's good book. Trust wallet owned by Binance and one of the most well-known crypto wallet added support for Pepe as the coin is trending highly on social media. Trust wallet already added it. It says we added Pepe to Trust wallet. You can now send, receive, as well as check the price chart of your little green frog, right? Enjoy Pepe. So, massive rally. CoinMarketCap reports that Pepe has a market cap of 143 million and a 24-hour trading volume of 155 million. Its current value is, well, it was at 33 53 with a 274% increase in 24 hours. Now, Charlie Shiba Inu prediction. Charlie, a well-known cryptocurrency enthusiast who previously forecasted the ship rally in 2020, recently tweeted that Pepe was the next Shiba Inu. He further said that it was always obvious in hindsight, perhaps indicating that Pepe could pursue a similar trajectory. Scam alert, obviously, Pexio alert caution against a fake Twitter account and website of Pepe Coin, the blockchain security firm, confirmed the account Pepe Coin that Eve underscore as fraudulent and the link Pepe Coin BIP. So let me show you guys the real Pepe Coin account, which is this one right here on Twitter, and they have a massive following of 47,700 people. The other thing that calls my attention about this coin is that coin market cap, right here first, it does says to be careful. According to Gold Plus Lab, the contract owner may contain the authority to modify the transaction tax and contain blacklist function. Please exercise caution before taking any action. NDYOR. So this is the thing. Despite this sign right here, this is the thing that calls my attention, which is the fact that has been listed in so many exchanges. And this coin is only 4 days old because it came out around the 16th. So it is on Uniswap, it is on Huobi Global, Gate.io, it is on Polynex, it is on Biget, MEXC, BKX, CoinX, Lbank, Bitmart, BingX, OpenOcean, PancakeSwap, BTC, EX, Hotcoin Global, DG Phoenix, Coin WCT. So, with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, this is not financial advice. Make sure you do your own research before investing. And if you like this video, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification. With that being said, have a blessed one.